This is my new project. It's the addition to the Pike Stories, history, exploration through discovery. And you might ask, what do 3 suitcases have to do with the Pike Stories? Well, they're not just suitcases. They're suitcases that reminisce of times that have gone by. Look at this. Smith Corona. Let's have to figure out how to open this. This one is, I think, Remington. And this one, oh, if I can get it open with one hand, is, I forget, made in Western Germany. Olympia. So we have 3 typewriters from different time periods, and we are writing the Pike Stories. Long Beach. This is what I gathered yesterday at the Atomic Basement. Long Beach is its own world. Long Beach is down to earth. It was just an experiment. I was over at First Comic Book Day, Free Comic Book Day. And the idea is this. We bring out the typewriters and people write. It's not the Pike Stories. It's my Pike story. And we take it to places where there are people who are senior citizens, and we do that. And then we take it to places where there are not senior citizens, and we expose them to the typewriters of the day when the Pike was just getting started, or, you know, maybe in the 50s or the 40s. This one, it says Western Germany, so it was after 45, I'm imagining. Well, look at the keys too. But anyway, kind of a fun project. And then we can have typing competitions. How about them apples?